In this video, we will show you how to make Google default search engine on Chrome web browsers. Maybe because some application that you install, the default Google search engine is changed to another like Yahoo or like on Bing. If you want to change back to Google using your Chrome, here's how you can do that. First, let's open our Google Chrome web browser, and then you can click these three dot icons, okay, and then choose settings. And in here you need to go to search engine menu on your left bar, and you can see this is our default search engine. You can change, okay, to another. For example, because you install the application that make your default browser into the Yahoo, when you typing, okay, like this, it's bring the Yahoo as search engine. So if you want to change back to the Google, you can just click the Google here and set as default. Then when you open again, you can see it's now back into the Google search engine. And that's tutorial how to set Google as default search engine on Chrome web browser. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.